really hot out here. I feel like I could have a popsicle. Okay, hey kids, I'm back. So here's what we're gonna do. This is coconut water, and what's that, Mom? The one. This is Squeeze and Charlie's mom. Squeeze them. I'm squeezing this on and trying to make the juice come out. Mom, could you bring me some more plums? Even if you're scared to do it, let's be brave. Okay. Mom, can you get more plums? Dump this in the bowl. Now, let's do some. Mom, did you get this here so we have more stuff? You gotta always tell Mother to do the blender because it got a sharp thing in there that I can see. Okay, Mom, so now pour it in here. Good job. Twist this into a box, okay? It's the blender. Okay. Get permission from your mom to touch the button. Mom, can I do this?
Yeah.
Okay. Tastes good? Kids, you should tell your mom to take out the blade. It's not sweet enough, so I'm adding a little honey. Okay, now give me a spoon, Mom. It's good. This thing is a popsicle mold. I think the big one is gonna be for me. I was planning that big so it would be for me. My dad is distracting our video. My mom just put some rubber bands on there, and after this is the last part of putting the feet. Oh, it's so good. Do you like popsicles? That one right here. Here's your popsicle. I want this. Here's yours, Ricky.
We've got a winner!
Now let's get cooking.